Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will start numerical 2.10 kinematics unit number 2 class 9th. And numerical 2.10 is the continuation of numerical 2.9. In numerical 2.9 we calculated the value of retardation. The value of the retardation we will use in the 2.10 to calculate the time taken by the train to stop. To solve this problem, consider this box as a train. The train is moving with initial velocity of 96 kilometers per hour. When brakes are applied, the speed of the train decreases from 96 kilometers per hour, and at last the train stops and reaches to 0 kilometers per hour. The decrease in the speed of the train is with uniform retardation. The value of the retardation is calculated in the numerical 2.9. A is equals to negative 0.3335 meters per second square. We will use this value in numerical 2.10 to calculate the time taken by the train to stop after application of brakes. As we know the initial velocity of the train and we know the final velocity of the train and the retardation value, we can use first equation of motion. Vf is equals to Vi plus A into t to calculate the value of time. Here initial velocity and the final velocity were in the units of kilometers per hour. So final velocity is 0 kilometer per hour, so you can say it is 0 meter per second. To convert 96 kilometers per hour into meters per second, 96 multiplied with 1000 and divided by 3600. This will equals to 26.67 meter per second. Now putting all these values in first equation of motion, as the final velocity is 0 meter per second, initial velocity is 26.67 meters per second plus negative 0.335 meters per second square into t, negative 26.67 meters per second is equals to negative 0.3335 meters per second square into t, and t is equals to negative 26.67 divided by 0.3335 meter per second square, 79.97. If you solve this part, second inverse goes to up and this will equals to second. So t is approximately 80 seconds. That's all about this problem. If you understand this, share my video, like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.